Feeling like a hamster on a procrastination wheel? Spinning endlessly, getting nowhere? Studies show that over 20% of people procrastinate chronically, which can hold us back from achieving our goals. But there are ways to break free from that procrastination cycle and take action. No BS, no time wasting. Let's dive into a 6-step action plan to get you into making moves. Visualize your success. Take a few minutes to close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself achieving your goal. See yourself crossing the finish line, receiving the reward, or experiencing the positive outcome. This powerful technique can tap into your subconscious and fuel your motivation to take action and make your vision a reality. By incorporating visualization into your daily routine, you can prime your brain for success and build unshakable confidence. The power of just start. Sometimes the hardest part is simply getting started. Science tells us our brains crave completion. So, even if you don't feel like doing the whole task, commit to just 5 minutes. Often, that initial push is all it takes to get into a productive flow state. Before you know it, those 5 minutes turn into 20, and you're well on your way. Just starting breaks down the mental barrier and makes the task seem less daunting. You'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish in a short amount of time. Done is better than perfect. Perfectionism is a major procrastination culprit. Remind yourself that getting started and making progress, even if it's not flawless, is far better than doing nothing at all. Focus on completing tasks, not achieving unrealistic perfection. Remember, you can always refine and improve later. Don't be afraid to embrace imperfection. It's often the stepping stone to achieving greatness. Embrace the power of no. Learning to say no to additional commitments that don't align with your goals is crucial. Feeling overloaded leads to procrastination. Prioritize your tasks and politely decline requests that would stretch you too thin. Saying no empowers you to focus on what truly matters and protects your valuable time and energy. Find your productivity zone. We all have times of day when we feel most focused and energized. Identify your most productive hours and schedule your most demanding tasks for those periods. Maybe you're a morning person who thrives on tackling challenges early, or perhaps you hit your stride in the afternoon. Utilize your natural energy rhythms for maximum productivity. Experiment with different schedules to find what works for you and create a routine that supports your natural highs and lows. Reward yourself. Celebrating accomplishments, big or small, is a fantastic way to stay motivated. Set up a reward system for completing tasks or reaching milestones. This positive reinforcement helps your brain associate action with positive feelings, making you more likely to take action again in the future. Rewards create a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated on your journey towards achieving your goals. Remember, progress over perfection. Take that first step today and watch yourself achieve amazing things.